wanna bet who can finish this first? 1, 2, 3, go!
Dude, it's time! Make the transfer!
Kevin's cheating? We'll see.
Did the watermelon grow? How'd that even happen?
That's the thing about pranking friends. Never underestimate each other. Keep watching for even more epic pranks.
Oh, that math class was epic. Hey! Why'd you bump into me like that? You got a problem, Four Eyes? Huh?
Gee, I hope I have time for a snack. Huh? What's going on over there? Kevin's being such a jerk, right? I ought to teach him a lesson. Like, throw this at his head. Or something that'll hurt a little more. Violence is never the answer, but pranking sure can be. Take a water bottle and poke it with a push pin. Keep going around the whole bottle. It should look like this, see? Now slowly take each pin out. The hole should be super tiny. So when you squeeze the bottle, out comes the water. This is gonna be good.
Get out of here, dork!
Hey, Kevin, I bought you a water. But little does Kevin know, this thing's about to blow! And in the most awkward spot ever. Not so fun being picked on, huh?
I'm so getting back for this. Are you ready for the ultimate pancake off?
Yes, sir!
You and you!
Yes, sir!
You're going down, Sophia.
Let's do this.
Go!
First egg is officially cracked.
Whisk? I'm doing things my way. That's not supposed to happen, is it?
Sophia seems way more calm. What on earth is he doing? I, however, have mad baking skills.
I recognize this stuff. Definitely need a lot of this. Just gonna rest my eyes.
Things sure are messy on Kevin's side. What an amateur. I've got this in the bag. I just need one more thing.
Time for a little pranking action. Double-sided tape.
Just one small square can do wonders. Peel off the backing and stick the bowl right on top. That ought to do it. And just a pinch of salt.
That's what you think.
Now for the mixing. Whoa, why can't I lift the bowl?
Well, looks like you lifted it all right. Who's making the mess now?
My vision's been compromised. This guy's trying to sabotage me.
Hey, stop messing around. Are you talking to me? Both out! Right now! That backfired.
Man, I thought lunchtime would never come.
Hey, Sophia!
That's not funny.
I disagree. I know. I'll give one of these a tug.
That's enough!
Stay, I'm sorry. Sometimes I can't help myself. In fact, I have one more trick up my sleeve.
Rip a sauce packet and pour it into your mouth.
Aw, aren't you just the cutest?
Okay, you're asking for it now. Whoa, is that blood? I didn't hit you that hard, did I? Kevin, are you okay? Please don't die. I I wouldn't worry. A little ketchup never killed anybody.
Oh, come on, it was funny! Some people can't take a joke.
Hi, Kevin. Mind if I sit here?
Oh, yeah. If you don't mind a little pranking.
Stalking your crush's Instagram again, Sophia? Just look how cute he is. I wonder if he thinks about me. What? Why is he sitting with Lana? She's not in any of his pics. Don't freak out. Maybe they're just friends. You guys ready to order yet?
2 hot teas?
Sounds great. Coming right up, okay? They think they're all cute. We'll just see about that. This date looks like it's going great, but I can make things more interesting. And it won't take much effort at all. It's showtime! Careful, it's piping hot, okay? Oopsies! Tea too hot for you? Looks like it's all in your head, girl. That was intense. Oops! See ya! Can you believe that girl? What's with her?
Finally! I get some me time. Look at this little face. All right, let's get down to business. It's puzzle time. Getting started can be the hardest part. This calls for a little sugar. How else am I supposed to stay focused? Where can I put this little guy?
Puzzle lovers sure have good patience. But it all pays off once you're done.
What are we doing right now? Yes, I found it!
Kevin will never leave that thing.
There's still one empty spot? It's gotta be here somewhere. Perfect.
Now's my big chance.
Phew, that was close. There. Huh? How could it be? Didn't I just put that piece in?
He's totally falling for it. I'm taking another one.
Jeez. Gah! Am I losing my mind? I swear I already put that in. Weird.
Amazing. He's so confused.
Is that giggling I hear? Of course it's Sophia. Think you're slick?
I found your puzzle piece. Guess I'd better go now.
What a relief.
Think you have what it takes to pull the ultimate prank? Hope you took notes on the ones in this video, but be warned, pulling stunts like these can lead to an epic prank war. So, prank with caution. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you dare. Have you watched these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on the action.